Imagine a world without bridges, without electricity, without machines, or even without simple tools like a hammer. It's hard to picture, right? But thousands of years ago, humanity lived exactly like that. Over time, through creativity, problem solving, and countless experiments, we developed what we now call engineering. From shaping stone tools to building rockets that leave Earth's atmosphere, engineering has been the invisible force driving civilization forward. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the history and evolution of engineering. We'll explore the earliest tools, the rise of great civilizations, the Industrial Revolution, and finally, the futuristic technologies that are shaping the 21st century and beyond. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll also discuss the future of engineering and how artificial intelligence, robotics, and space exploration might change human life forever. Chapter 1. The Dawn of Engineering, Stone Age Tools. Engineering began with survival. Early humans shaped stones into cutting tools, spears, and hammers. These tools allowed them to hunt, build shelters, and protect themselves. While it seems simple, this was the first demonstration of engineering thinking, using available resources to solve problems. By 3000 BCE, humans were experimenting with metals like copper and bronze. This marked the Bronze Age, when stronger tools and weapons revolutionized agriculture, trade, and warfare. Chapter 2. Ancient Engineering Wonders. Civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, Chinese, and Mesopotamians pushed engineering into new frontiers. Egyptians built the Great Pyramids, massive stone structures that still baffle modern architects. Romans designed aqueducts, roads, and amphitheaters, showcasing mastery of concrete and structural design. Chinese engineers created the Great Wall, irrigation systems, and even early seismographs. Greeks introduced geometry and mechanics, laying the foundation for modern physics. These were not just monuments, they were proof of engineering's ability to organize societies, move resources, and create lasting legacies. Chapter 3. The Middle Ages and Renaissance, a bridge to modernity. During the Middle Ages, engineering advanced quietly through castles, catapults, and mills. Engineers focused on defense, water management, and simple machines. The Renaissance 14th–17th centuries reignited innovation. Thinkers like Leonardo da Vinci sketched flying machines, tanks, and hydraulic pumps centuries before they could be built. This period bridged art and engineering, blending imagination with practical invention. Chapter 4. The Industrial Revolution, Engineering Meets Machines. The 18th and 19th centuries brought the Industrial Revolution, a turning point in human history. Steam engines powered factories, trains, and ships, replacing manual labor. Mechanical engineering was born as a distinct field. Key milestones. James Watt's steam engine. The spinning jenny revolutionizing textiles. Railroads and iron bridges connecting nations. Engineering shifted from manual craftsmanship to scientific and industrial problem solving, creating entirely new industries. Chapter 5. The Age of Electricity and Communication. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, electrical engineering transformed the world. Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, and Michael Faraday pioneered electricity, leading to light bulbs, power grids, and motors. Soon after, communication leapt forward with the invention of the telegraph, telephone, and radio. For the first time, humanity could send messages across oceans in seconds. Engineering was no longer just about physical structures, it was about energy, information, and connection. Chapter 6. The 20th Century, Engineering Goes Global. The 20th century accelerated engineering progress faster than ever before. Automobiles and airplanes shrank distances across the globe. Skyscrapers redefined urban living. Nuclear power introduced new possibilities and dangers. Computers and microchips sparked the digital age. Engineering disciplines branched out. Mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical, aerospace, and eventually, computer engineering. World wars, though tragic, also pushed innovation in weapons, medicine, and transportation, many of which later benefited civilian life. Chapter 7. Space Exploration, Engineering Beyond Earth. In 1969, humanity witnessed perhaps the most astonishing engineering feat ever, the Apollo 11 mission, which landed astronauts on the Moon. Space exploration opened a new chapter. Rockets, satellites, and space stations. Communication satellites powering GPS and global internet. Mars rovers and telescopes exploring deep space. Engineering was no longer confined to Earth. We became an interplanetary species in progress. Chapter 8. The 21st Century, AI, Robotics, and Sustainable Engineering. Today, we live in the era of smart engineering. Artificial intelligence and robotics are transforming industries. Self-driving cars, 3D printing, and renewable energy are redefining how we live and work. Civil engineers design eco-friendly smart cities. Biomedical engineers create bionic limbs and artificial organs. Aerospace engineers plan missions to Mars and beyond. At the same time, environmental engineers work on climate solutions, making sustainability a key mission for modern engineers. Chapter 9. The Future, What Comes Next? Looking ahead, the boundaries of engineering will continue to expand. Quantum computers could solve problems impossible for today's machines. Fusion power may unlock limitless clean energy. Space colonization could move humanity beyond Earth. Biotechnology and nanotechnology might merge engineering with biology, creating superhuman capabilities. The only limit is human imagination. Closing, call to action. From shaping stones to building rockets, engineering has always been about solving problems, improving lives, and pushing boundaries. Every bridge, every smartphone, every medical device, they're all proof of what human creativity and engineering can achieve. So, the next time you flip a switch, drive a car, or use your phone, remember, behind it stands thousands of years of engineering evolution. And who knows, maybe you'll be one of the engineers who designs the future. Please subscribe and click the notification button. Imagine a world without bridges, without electricity.